Hi guys, we are specially invited in Space Motor by my friend Hamir to unveil the SXR 160. This is the first look of the SXR 160. Scooter is looking so sportier. Headlamp is fully LED. This is the daytime running light. This is the glossy white color. Instrument cluster is TFT console. Fit and finish is very good. Tail light is also LED. SXR 160 looks like so huge, but it is very compact to daily drive. Fit and finish is very well. Build quality is top notch, like a premium scooter. It is a premium scooter only. Alloy wheels come with Aprilia badging. Rim size is 12-inch 70/120 section tire. Scooty little bit looks like a Aprilia RS V4. Also comes with a front disc with ABS, rear brake, drum brake. Headlight visible is very well. Also pass light is very good comparing to SR 160. This is the tail light and indicator. Comes with fully LED setup, headlamp and also tail light indicators. This is good for the night drive also, I think. Comes with 160cc 10.9 bhp 3-valve fuel injector engine. Rear wheels also 12-inch 70/120 section tire. Seat is so wider. Also comes with front glove box. There is a mobile USB cable to connect your phone inside the glove box. Space is very low, but it is also we can use it. Open system is in the key. Press the key mount.
Seat
open the
comfort
glove box. Better for rider and the pillion also. Rear wheel also 12-inch 70/120 section tire. Silencer is different than the SR 150. Keys are like same like SR 150. Switch quality is also better, like same like SR 150. Mode button is not for riding mode, that is for speedometer information like trip, EAB, volt, average fuel consumption, kilometer, date, etc. Also one more switch is there in speedometer, same like mode button to change and set. Let's listen the exhaust note.
throttle ಬಂಡೆ
This is not like the Anton sound, but it's okay. Let's check the boot space. Boot space is little bigger than the SR 150. Also one light is there inside, but full face helmet cannot be fitted in this boot space. The helmet was medium size. Maybe the small size helmet can fit in this boot space. Let's check the pillion comfort. This is my friend. He is the sales executive in this showroom. His height was 5.11. Then also he can sit very comfortable. And also the scooty is not feeling so heavy. We can see how comfortable seat this is for rider and the pillion. Seat cushioning is little hard. Showroom is located in Andheri. Service center is next to that. Visiting card detail of the sales executive. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share it.